This video is more bash commands, episode 2. Next we'll look at the echo command. The echo command will print out a message, which is the text that follows the echo. Use echo-n to remove the new line at the end of the echo command. So as an example, if we have echo hello, the echo command will print hello. Now we'll look at the greater than command. This command is also called redirect. The redirect command will redirect the standard output of a command and put it somewhere else. This is often a file. When we redirect output of a command to a file, it will replace all the contents of that file, so you need to be careful. Here's an example. If we say echo hello and redirect to file.txt, then file.txt will contain the word hello. Now we'll cover the cat command. The cat command will display the contents of a file and dump it to the screen. This will dump the whole file at once. Here's an example of the cat command. If we echo here is a message and redirect to a file, then we can use cat on that file and print out the message that we sent into the file. Now we'll cover the greater than command, which is known as append. The append command will append the supplied standard output of a command and put it at the end of the input file. So here's example code. If we touch file, then file either has some contents or it's an empty file. If we echo here is a message and append to the file, then that will put that message at the end of the file. If we echo more text and append it to the file, we'll add a second line of text to the file. If we use cat, then we obtain both of the two sets of letters that we submitted into the file. Now we'll cover the seek command. So seek is short for sequence. The seek command will generate a sequence of numbers, and there are a few variations of how it works based on the number of parameters fed. If we just give it one parameter, it will count a list of numbers from 1 to that number. So if we say seek 5, the seek command will count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and print that to the screen. With 2 parameters, the seek command will generate a sequence of numbers between the numbers. So if we say seek 4, 8, the seek command will count from 4, 5, 6, 7 to 8. With 3 parameters, the seek will generate a sequence of numbers by making the difference of the numbers equal to the second number supplied. So if we want to count by 5s, we put the second number in the seek command as the second number, which will count by 5s. The first number is our initial number, and then the last number is the upper bound. We can also count by negative numbers. So here's an example that was just given. If we say seek 0, 5, 20, we'll count by 5s from 0 to 20, and then we'll get 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 in the output. Here's another example. If we say seek 4, minus 1, 1, we'll start at 4, count by minus 1s until we get to 1. Here's a live demo of these commands. Now we'll see some of these commands in action. First, we can type echo hello. This will print the message hello to the screen. If we say echo hello, but we put in a -n, then the command prompt will eliminate the end of line that's ordinarily printed after echo. If we press N or enter, we get this result. Now we can try something else, which is echo message 1 and redirect to temp.txt. So now what we did was we took the echo command and redirected the contents to temp.txt. We can output the contents of temp.txt by using cat. So we can say cat temp.txt. We get message 1 back. If we say echo message 2 and redirect to temp, then we get only message 2 and not message 1. So The reason for this is that the redirect command will eliminate anything that was in the original file, and then we can put only the new information into the file. On the other hand, if we go echo message 3 and append to temp.txt, we can cat, and then we get message 2 and message 3 because the two greater than signs appended to the temp. If we say seq 10 13 and append to temp.txt, now we're going to append 10 11 12 13 to temp.txt, and we'll get the numbers 10 11 12 and 13 appended to temp.txt. So here's a few more simple examples of seek. We can say seek 1 30 100, and we start with 1, we add 30, and then we go until we get past 100. In this case, 100 is not printed out because after we add 30 to 91, we go past 100. We can also do something like seek 15 minus 3 4. We'll start at 15, count by minus 3, and then go until we go past 4, because once we are at 6 and subtract 3, we get to 3, but we pass 4, so then the C command just ends at 6. So that is all of these commands in a nutshell. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tune in for part 3.